Look at our baby, 1, 2, 3. This is our little gorgeous girl, Sparky. She is lovely, yes, it's true.
Sparky.
She likes me to pick her up.
Yes, you do. She's pretending to object, but she's having a good look round. Oh, whoa, 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 Grizzle guts. Grizzle for the camera. Yep, that's the one. She's hardly struggling though, is she? Wow. Okay. Wow. One more kiss. Oh, she's a grumpy, grousey get. She's loving it really though.
Oh, I'm loving it too. She's so warm.
Oh, I think it's time to turn the camera off.
Shall I put you down now?
Now she'll come straight back.
And some more.
She's going for a little sulk first. Sparky, are you going for a little sulk? She's after you now. She's following Daddy. She wants to know when you're going to do it again. She's following Daddy. Daddy,
You're not
do it again.
Drinking the Smirnoff.
Oh,
She wants to try a drop.
No. What do you think? He says, oh, don't leave her in a bad mood. Don't leave her in the same room as me. She wants a body. Oh, she's got some strike on her. Sparky? What's this? Sparky? What's this? What's this? Oh, wow. What's the wow? Oh, wait, Charlie's getting in on the act. Oh, hellfire.